Hi everybody, I'm back again. Today we're on our way to the Blue Hill Skyline Reservation. The weather is finally nice here in Massachusetts and we decided to go to do some hiking. Apparently this is a beautiful trail that's eventually going to bring us to the nice skyline view of the city of Boston. It's located somewhere between Milton and Quincy in Massachusetts. The length of the whole loop is about 3 miles, and from what I read it says that it takes about, if you keep an average speed, it takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes to complete it. The weather is nice. It's about 23 degrees Celsius today in Boston, and this should be fun. Let's go and see how difficult this trail is. From people's comments, a lot of people say this is average dash difficult trail. And of course it's 2 hours, it's not really short, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Hopefully it's gonna be an interesting day. So basically to get here we just searched in Apple Maps Skyline Loop and it will bring you to this big parking lot. There's the state police across the street, so it's the opposite side of the state police. And there is enough space for everyone to park. Let's go, Yulia. You ready? Let's do this. I guess from the parking lot we have to go straight, cross the road. That's where the trail begins, next to the state police office. And I believe this is the end where you exit. By the way, I might have forgotten to tell you that elevation is about 800 feet, 860 I believe. That's what, in meters, that's about 300 meters. So hopefully it's not too difficult. We're on our way. Here we go. This is the beginning of this trail. And right in the very beginning there are steps, okay? Good exercising for your hips. Oh, actually, let's check what time it is, what time we're starting. It's 1:40. Time is 1:40 p.m. Let's see how long it takes us to get to the top. Okay, audience, checking in with you. It's been 2 minutes so far. I'm already tired. We decided to turn back. Just kidding. We're continuing to go up. This is 10 minutes into the hike. Say hi, Yulia. So, every time that we have been hiking, whether it was in Europe or here in New Hampshire, apparently after 5 minutes, Julia gets tired. She's ready for a nice picnic, you know, to take a nice long break. It's been only like 12 minutes into the hike, not even, probably less. She's already like in the bag telling me, why am I going so fast? Why is it always like this? Julia, let's go. It's only been like 7 minutes. It's not even that difficult, to be honest. It's a nice hike. So you would think that the trail should always be going up, right? Because you're eventually, hopefully, gonna get to the highest point of it. But no, there are places where it goes down steep and then it starts going up again, like this one. Another important thing to note while my wife is loading my backpack with more heavy stuff, her hoodie, of course, I have to carry everything, is that we have seen as we're going up a lot of people with their dogs. So this should be a nice trail for any of you who have little friends and little buddies out there. You can come with them and hike here. And the dogs we see, they're not of like the bigger breeds, such as like German Shepherd or like Huskies, just small dogs, you know, such as probably Yorkies or Maltipoos. So. And right now we're what, 15 minutes into the hike. We're at this point where we see this sign. It says 0.75 miles to the Skyline Trail West. So we're continuing. All right, this is the top. Julia, you made it. Let's go see the view from the top. Okay guys, time was about 2:45. We're on the top. By the way, in the beginning I told you it takes about like an hour and 45 minutes, but in fact it took us what, an hour and 10 minutes? Yeah. Something like that, an hour and 10 minutes. And to be honest, we were not like going fast or running. We even took a nice break, nice 10 to 15 minute break. So this should be an easy one. Like I said, I wouldn't consider it moderate too hard. I would consider this what, easy dash moderate. Moderate if you go fast. Moderate if you go fast, yeah. So yeah, that's it, we're on the top. This was an amazing hike, an hour and 10 minutes, not far from home, right here in Massachusetts. The weather is nice again, it's 23 Celsius, so we're just gonna enjoy, relax, and make our way back slow by slow. Okay, hey everybody again. Time is 4:05, so we started at 1:40. That means we've been hiking 2 hours and 20 minutes. We're getting to the end of the trail. If you remember in the beginning of the video, I showed you that we're going to the right side and then we're gonna exit and cross the road from the left side. So that's actually the road where we're gonna cross back and get back to the parking lot. So altogether it took us 2 hours and 20 minutes. Again, just as a reminder, we're at the Blue Hill Reservation. This is Malden-Quincy in Massachusetts. Again, the elevation was about 800 feet high. The whole loop is about, how long was it, 3 miles? Yeah. I think it was 3 miles. And altogether it took us 2 hours and 20 minutes. So yeah, if you ever end up in this area, I definitely suggest this trail. It was really cool and it was a good hike. Now that we're done with our hike, we're enjoying this nice weather next to this pond. Just want to say in the end, hope you liked this vlog. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and wait for more, of course. There's a lot to come in the future, so stay tuned, please. Thank you very much for watching this.